Hi guys, so let's look at this solution of this question that I had shared with you guys in the group. Let's try to understand what are the keywords that we need to focus on this question. This question on the face value sounds very difficult, but if you start picking up the right keywords, you should be able to solve this question in approximately 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes. Right, so this can be termed as a very good question or a very difficult question when it comes to profit and loss. So the question says a shopkeeper has two articles, A and B, with cost price in the ratio of 3:2. Fair enough. So this is one point that I need to keep in mind, that the ratio of cost price is 3:2 here. Now next he decides to maintain the same profit percentage. Now this is the most important keyword in the question. Okay. Now same profit percentage on both the articles. He marks up the articles and sells after giving a certain discount percentage on each of them. Fair enough. So the ratio of mark price of the article is 5:3 and the ratio of discount percentage given to us is 9:5. And the question is asking us find the discount percentage given in the first article. Now first things first, cost price is not important to us. Neither is mark price important to us. Majorly, I want to know the variable of discount. Right now, what I would rather advise you to look at it is, let's apply the same profit percentage concept. Now, when I look at same profit percentage, can I say if profit percentage is same, that means, which also indicates that the multiplying factor on both of them is same. And we have learned in the class that multiplying factor when it comes to profit is always going to be SP by CP. Clear? Now, what is selling price? Selling price is mark price into multiplying factor, right? So I know selling price is equal to mark price into discount multiplying factor, and cost price is what we know as the cost price given to us directly here. Clear? So if I assume the ratio of mark price is 5:3, let me assume the mark price as 5x. Clear? And the mark price of the second article as 3x. Now, I'm giving a discount of 9:5. We have learned in ratios class that two different ratios will take two different variables. So, I'm assuming that the discount is, let's say, 9y and 5y. So, what do I get here? So, the multiplying factor becomes 1 minus 9y by 100. This will give me the selling price of the first article. Now, this will give me 1 minus 5y by 100, which is the selling price of the second article. Clear? Now, selling price of first article and selling price of second article we know. Now, all we need to do is we need to equate the cost price of both the articles. We need to equate the multiplying factor of both the articles, which is SP by CP. What is CP? The ratio is 3:2. Now, this is a third ratio, right? So, I would assume a third variable called 3Z and I would assume a variable called 2Z. So, this is the multiplying factor of both the articles. SP by CP. Now the question says that the profit percentage is same. If the profit percentage is same, which means multiplying factor is same. So I equate the multiplying factors. So your Z gets cancelled, your X gets cancelled here. Let's cross multiply. This is 5 into 2. This becomes 10 into 1 minus 9Z by 100, which is equal to 3 into 3, which will give you 9 into, sorry, 9y by 100. Yeah, 3 into 3, that is 1 minus 9 into 1 minus 5y by 100. Now let's keep it in simplified form. This is 10 minus 90y by 100 is equal to 9 minus 45y by 100. So eventually what do we get here, guys? We get this, if I transpose, I get the value of 1 is equal to 45y by 100, or we get the value of y is equal to 20 by 9. Now the question is not asked us the value of y. In fact, the question is asked us the discount given on the first article, which is 9y. So 9y would become, I'm just calculating it here. So 9y would become 20 by 9 into 9, which will be equal to 20%. So very seemingly difficult question, right? If you simplify in terms of the profit percentage is same, you can get the answer in the least possible time. So I repeat, the recommended time frame for this question would be around 3 to 4 minutes. Maybe we take 1.5 minutes to read the question and then maybe 2 odd minutes to solve this question. So I would rather say approximately 3.5 minutes, which means roughly 200 seconds should be the ideal time to solve this question. Right? Thank you, guys.